I will never forget the day we decided we will meet for the first time, not knowing after 8 years we'll get married in front of the Lord and our family.
Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If I should call you up, invest a dime.
Our love story is so far from being perfect, but somehow you made it so easy. I don't know how you do it, but you have a beautiful way how you handle my kasungitan, and honestly,
So happy together.
every time it works.
I can see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life.
From Bicol, I went to Manila. We didn't reach na kita. Yet, it seems like you are running away. Pumunta ka ng UK. Siyempre, ano ba naman magagawa ko? Wherever you go, I follow. Mahal na mahal kita.
So happy together.
The new Mr. and Mrs. Imperial!
I can see me loving nobody but you for all my life. I can see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue.
Palakpakan ng ating bagong kasal, JP at Shine. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Seeing the way you care for your family made me feel secure. Knowing you'd give that same love to the family we'll build someday. Malalaman mo kasi kung paano siya mag-interact din sa family. Pag na-meet mo yung family niya. So, malalaman mo din kung paano niya i-treat yung nanay, yung mommy niya, yung daddy niya, yung mga kapatid niya. So, yun talaga yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Pero naiyak na ako.
We were young, so in love. We would talk till the dawn, staring up at the moon. All the stars were in
Thank you,
blue.
Tay. Hindi naman magbabago kung mag-aasawa ko. Same pa rin yung treatment namin. Lagi pa rin kami nakasupport sa'yo. Wala lang nagariya lang na isa, si Jay.
Welcome.
Yun lang.
Thank you.
You are my only one. You have all my heart. Through the sunshine, through the rain, you and I will never fade. 'Cause you are my only one.
I promise to respect our daily differences and support you all throughout this lifetime. I vow to be your loving wife, your best friend, your partner. I love you.
But you held on to me like the roots of a tree, and I still feel the spark like I did at the start. You are my only
pinagtutunan ng Diyos na sa araw na ito, sa December 4, 2025, ikakasal kayo, nakaukit sa tadhana. So kayo'y pinagtagpo at kayo'y nakatadhana sa isa't isa.
For all of time, I'll be with you by your side. Highest heights through the longest winter nights. Time may be cruel, but my heart won't get over you. So as we grow old, I hope you know you are my only one. You have all my heart through the sunshine, through the rain. You and
Love you.
I will never fade, 'cause you are my own.